Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a timing chain. First, ensure you have all the correct tools, including a torque wrench and any specialized timing chain tools. Next, you'll need to drain both the engine oil and the coolant. This step is crucial for a clean and safe working environment. Finally, always disconnect the vehicle's battery to prevent any electrical issues while you're working on the engine. Safety first. Now, let's move on to disassembling the engine. Begin by removing the serpentine belt, followed by the power steering pump and the alternator. These components often obstruct access to the timing chain cover. Carefully detach the valve covers and then the front engine cover. Before proceeding, rotate the crankshaft to align the engine at top dead center, which is essential for correct timing. With the engine open, you can now remove the old timing chain, along with its guides and tensioners. Inspect all components for wear. Next, carefully install the new timing chain, paying close attention to the timing marks on the crankshaft and camshaft sprockets. Proper alignment is critical for engine operation. Don't forget to install new timing chain guides and tensioners to ensure optimal performance and longevity. Finally, it's time for reassembly. Reinstall the front engine cover, valve covers, and all the accessories you removed earlier, ensuring all bolts are torqued to specification. Once everything is back in place, refill the engine with fresh oil and coolant. After these fluids are at their correct levels, start the engine. Listen for any unusual noises and check thoroughly for any leaks to confirm a successful repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.